Our brain can store a data in 3 stages. Hello dears, here we came back again with another video where we gonna discuss how to remember quickly. Our brain can store a data in 3 stages. First one is sensory memory, second one is short-term memory, third one is long-term memory. When we see, listen to music or anything at first, it goes to our sensory memory, the first step of our brain. Then when we read or write consistently, then it goes into short-term memory. But after few days, it starts to erase the information and you can't remember anything related to the topic. But when you try to understand or learn that specific topic, then it can be stored into long-term memory, where the information will store for lifelong. Students who are preparing for the exam or who want to consume the topic neatly, then we should start focusing on learning or understanding that information or topic. Otherwise, we will forget everything. The common study practice among all the students is to mug up. Yes, Ratta. If we will mug up, then the information will store in sensory memory or short-term memory. The result is nothing at the end. Why we should not practice this technique? Number 1. By rereading, consume more time. Second, you think you have learned but everything you have just read. Rereading only works for short term. Now, what's the solution? How can we study efficiently and store in our long-term memory? There are 4 techniques. Let's go one by one. Number 1. Remove distractions and concentrate on one thing. If we want to study with full of concentration, then first we have to remove all the distractions. How to remove distraction? I have already made a video about it, so you can check the link. Distraction can cause by multiple media. That can be in your mind, your thoughts, and the habits of multitasking. Number 2. Recalling what we have read. I know at first it may be difficult, but trust me, it's effective. Recalling the information gives you 2 benefits. Number 1. You get a better vision how much information you consumed and how much you can remember. And second, through this, your brain neuron connection gets stronger. Recalling can be done by writing the information again and again. In scientific term, when you write, our brain used to scan it quickly and again doing, so it's effective. Number 3. Time slab method. Divide the study sessions into small hours which help to improve our productivity and concentration to don't break the chain. Number 4. Be consistent. Humans have a special quality. If anyone have the interest on something, definitely they will achieve it by getting into the work, or you can say consistent at that work. Same as well in studying. That's it for today. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.